Welcome back to our channel, fellow food lovers. Today, we have an incredible Chinese dish for you, Mapo Tofu. But before we dive into the recipe, let's explore some fascinating unknown facts about this popular and flavorful dish. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Mapo Tofu is a classic Sichuan dish that originated in China. It was created during the Qing dynasty by a woman named Chen Mapo, hence the name Mapo Tofu. Chen Mapo was known for her exceptional culinary skills, and her dish quickly became a local favorite. Fact number 2. The key ingredient in Mapo Tofu is tofu, specifically soft or silken tofu. This creamy and delicate tofu is cooked in a spicy sauce made from doubanjiang, a fermented chili bean paste that gives the dish its signature fiery and savory flavor. Fact number 3. Another essential element of Mapo Tofu is the Sichuan peppercorns. These unique peppercorns are responsible for the distinct numbing and tingling sensation that Sichuan cuisine is known for. The combination of heat from the chili and the numbing effect of the peppercorns creates an unforgettable taste experience. Fact number 4. Mapo Tofu is not only famous for its taste but also for its versatility. While the traditional version includes ground pork for added flavor, there are also vegetarian and vegan variations available. The dish can be customized to suit various dietary preferences without compromising its rich and robust flavors. Fact number 5. Mapo Tofu has gained popularity not only in China but also around the world. Its unique combination of flavors and textures, along with a numbing and spicy profile, has made it a beloved dish in many countries, showcasing the global appeal of Sichuan cuisine. The heat from the chili, the richness of the tofu, and the numbing sensation of the Sichuan peppercorns come together in perfect harmony in this Mapo Tofu. It's a truly sensational dish that you have to try. Now that we've uncovered some intriguing facts about Mapo Tofu, let's dive into the recipe and see how this mouth-watering dish comes together. Host demonstrates the cooking process, from sautéing the ingredients to serving the Mapo Tofu. The result is a bowl of Mapo Tofu that is bursting with bold flavors and satisfying textures. It's a comforting and addictive dish that will leave you craving more. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the unknown facts about Mapo Tofu and joining us on this flavorful journey. Whether you're a fan of spicy food or looking to explore the vibrant world of Sichuan cuisine, Mapo Tofu is a must-try dish. Give it a go and savor the incredible flavors. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.